Today we're taking a look at the Fifine M9 wireless lavalier microphone. This may be one of the best microphone kits that you can buy in this price range. It has some great features, it's compatible with multiple devices and ready to go right out of the box. Here's some of the features that it boasts. They have active noise cancelling, up to 100 feet in range, a small compact design, auto pairing, 5 to 6 hours working time. This is with consistent use. We can also recharge up to 3 times from the docking station. Okay, so what's included? Inside the box we're greeted with an instructions guide. This is a clear and concise guide which has all the relevant information on your charging, setup process, connection information, etc. The kit comes in a hard shell case. This is a nice mesh type material. It has a nice black finish, all looks very professional. The white Fifine logo on top. It feels a very good quality in the hand and it's quite compact. It'll be easy to carry around with you. The zipper looks good too and it's all professionally stitched and tidy. I really like this case. I think it's a really nice touch from Fifine. Inside the case we have various packets with windbreaker mic covers. They're really soft and fluffy. They should work great at blocking out that awful wind noise while you're trying to record. There are 2 of these, one for each microphone. Then we get some quality coiled cables. We do have a wide range of connectivity here. They are also labelled so you can easily see which one you need in certain scenarios. There's also a small USB-C. This is a charging cable to charge up our docking station, or we can charge each of the devices individually in case of an emergency. I'll show you this feature later in the video. The docking station has a nice compact design. It's got the Fifine logo engraved into the lid, and it's also got 4 LED light markers which indicate the remaining power of the docking station. If it's got 1 light bar, that's 25%, 2 50, 3 75, and all 4 is 100%. You will get around 3 charges out of this before you need to recharge it. The lid is magnetic and it has a nice action to it. It snaps and locks shut. It feels really firm and secure. This isn't going to open accidentally. Inside this docking station here we get 2 wireless microphones and the receiver. And as I previously mentioned, each of the devices do have a USB-C port, so you can charge directly to each of the mics and the receiver. So the microphone has a power button. This is your power on and power off. On the other side we've got our active noise cancelling, and then we've got our resync. We've also got the belt clip or your shirt clip, the USB-C charging port on the bottom, the LED indication lights, and then the microphone diaphragm at the top. It all looks and feels very good and made to a good standard. The receiver is a similar deal. On the top there we've got an LED indication with the power, the mono, the stereo, microphone A, microphone B, and the volume level. We've got the same belt clip design on the back. And then we've got the power button. We've got the microphone A, microphone B, the USB-C charging port at the bottom. And then on the other side there we've got the mono and the stereo button, the sync button, and the 3.5mm output. If you have a smartphone that's got a 3.5mm aux cable, you would use this cable here, which is a 3.5mm to 3.5mm. This is specifically designed for the auxiliary input. If you don't have the auxiliary input and you only have USB-C, then simply switch to the USB-C to 3.5mm cable. This is compatible with your phone as well. This is what we will be using today, so let's continue with the setup then. So we want to test this microphone out. We want to turn the microphone on. Simply hold the power button down until the light comes on. And we do the same with the receiver. We hold the power button down until the lights come on. So we're just using microphone A at the moment. If you want to turn the volume up on the receiver, you press the A button and then you can see the lights there. So that's volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. This is also the same for microphone B, or if you're using both at the same time. Really simple to set up. Simply plug in the USB-C to your phone and the 3.5mm input into your receiver. This is now a connected microphone and it's ready to go. Okay, so it's just told us that we're going to be using an external microphone. That's fine. Okay, this is an audio test for the Fifine M9 microphone. It's a diverse universal microphone. It works on multiple devices. You can use this on your phone, on your computer, or on a camera. I'm currently using this through the 3.5mm input to the receiver and then a USB-C to my mobile device. It just clips on and is ready to go right out of the box, really. You can also use the 3.5mm to 3.5mm if you have an auxiliary input on your mobile device. But a lot of mobile phones don't have the 3.5mm input or the auxiliary anymore. They mostly use USB-C these days. It seems to be working absolutely fantastic. I can't see any issues whatsoever. Let's use an example, some pops and bangs. So today we're going to go to the beach for a beach party. She sells seashells on the seashore. This microphone is also wireless. I'll do a distance test in a moment. It claims to be able to handle up to 100 meters range. I'm not entirely sure on the 100 meters range. That seems quite far for a Bluetooth connection, but we will test that out for certain. Correction here, it is 100 feet, not 100 meters. And distance wise, it's absolutely fine. So let's check out the settings and the options then. This is mono stereo off. This is mono stereo on. This is also on volume 1 out of 3. This is volume 2 out of 3. This is volume 3 out of 3. This is back to volume 1 out of 3. When the microphone is charging, if we drop these in, you can see there that we've got a green indication light. This green light will continue to blink until the microphone and the receiver are fully charged. This microphone isn't blinking because it is already completely charged. We will get approximately 4 full charges from this charging dock. However, depending on how heavily it's used or if it's only been used a small amount, you may get 6-7 charges or something like that. And also, if you are in a pinch and you don't have the docking station at hand, you can always charge via USB-C to any of the devices using any USB-C port, power banks, etc., which is very useful, especially when you're on the go. Some of the features that I really like about this set are the indication lights, whether it is your connectivity, your charging, or even your active noise cancelling. It even tells you how much power is remaining on the charging station. Everything's really portable and accessible. It's simply ready to go as soon as you pull it out of the case. The kit includes absolutely everything you need to get yourself started recording, ideal for content creation and podcasting and things like that. I also like the carry case. It fits everything in nice and neatly and it's easily accessible and portable. This microphone kit is currently available on Amazon for $64.99. We have over 300 reviews with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating, which is pretty respectable in my opinion. You can't please all of the people all of the time. I will leave affiliate links down in the description for your convenience, and don't forget guys, using those affiliate links directly helps the channel out, and we really appreciate any of you guys that do use the affiliate links. Overall, I have to say, this microphone kit is a complete kit that's ready to go right out of the box, and I can easily recommend this. If you guys found any part of this video helpful at all, or you enjoy supporting small creators like me, please consider leaving a like on the video, subscribing to the channel with your notifications on, that way you never miss any future uploads. Thanks to each and every one of you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you guys, and until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. I'm Craig, this is Really Random Reviews, and I'll see you in my next video.